Well, hey everybody, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I you what to do with your instant noodles, and today I'm sneezing, and yeah. So, something's wrong with this phone and it's driving me insane. I don't like that. Shush out there! Now they're getting cranky. I got them new toys, and now they're fighting over them, so. Anyways, we got this Knorr or Knorr shrimp and spinach gratin from Japan. Came in a Japan crate. Go to japancrate.com and use the coupon code the Ramen Raider for a discount. Yeah, sounds interesting. Sounds very Japanese. So yeah, I've had some interesting takes on pasta from Asia before. I've had what was it? Some macaroni that was like tonkatsu macaroni. That was a while back. I found that up in Canada. What else? Gosh, there's been a few. Oh, come on. Uh-oh. What a lame deal. There you go. That is a bummer. Took so long to get the camera working today. I don't know why. There was a new update. That could have something to do with it. So you're supposed to stir it for 15 seconds. So I'm stirring it. And it doesn't look crooked on here, but oh yeah, it does. It does look crooked. We don't want crooked. What's going on here? My whole camera rig seems kind of discombobulated. How's that? That's a little better. Yeah, there's some stirring. Boiling hot. Okay, good. And a lid. And a 3-minute timer. Go. Well, I got kind of off to a slow start this morning, and I'm hoping that that will go better momentarily. Let's do this. 'Cause there's something we need to put in here. If it's shrimp and spinach, we should use a shrimp and a spinach, right? I mean, here's a shrimp, but it's frozen, not for long. Should tell you about these particular shrimp. So you can get these at Target, which no, I'm not getting paid by Target. That's like the thing lately I've noticed. There's a lot of YouTubers that are doing these big long ramen things. Look at this I made with Target. Look at this I made from stuff I got at Target. Look at this. And it's just like, dude, did you like get paid to go to Target and buy all this stuff? And just kind of like obvious corporate-y. Oh, my hat's on crooked. And my mustache and my beard are driving me absolutely insane. They are going to go away. They're going to go away. But in honor of the day, I'm making this Japanese shrimp and spinach gratin with rotini from Japan. Happy Cinco de Mayo. Does that make sense? I saw an ad in my email for this new tour bus that's going around Georgia that has Donald Trump's head on it. And it has two things that are like glaring inconsistencies with the message, I think. First off, the bus is blue. Shouldn't it be red? Second off, above the cab where you drive, it said, America's Godzilla of Truth. Shouldn't it be King Kong? Godzilla is Japanese. So, I don't know. Just seems a little, I don't know, kind of cringy, I'd have to say. And I don't like to use that term, but that I think is a correct spot to use. It's like, oh, didn't you? And then the caption says, isn't this bus just beautiful? It's got like Trump with a constipated look on his face, like he's trying to make a poop, you know? He kind of makes that face a lot, especially sits like he's always sitting on the toilet. But, you know, it should be interesting. It should be an interesting midterm. I don't think it's gonna, I really don't know what's gonna happen. I've kind of banked on everything that I think should happen won't. So, okay, we've got kind of a mystic thickness going on. Let's have a look here. So it's shrimp flavor, huh? I'm ready to give it a try. It's a gratin. Look at that. Shrimp gratin. Definitely thick. Not bad. Let's see if we can get some of these bits out of here. There isn't much of it. Mmm, crunchy. Are it really only 3 minutes? Yeah. Yeah. I'm going to go with the reason it didn't hydrate as well as it should have was the fact that I didn't have enough water. I did boil 200 mils of water, but it sat boiling for longer than it needed to, that's for sure. So, the broth itself is good. Obviously, this is not ramen. This isn't like a big contender for my review stuff. It's not bad. That's what it gets. A great big fat, hey, not bad. But that's all right. Now, here's the tricky part. Let's get it right. Oh, a little bit of messy, but not much. It's not, I like that. I would eat that. I would. I'd rather eat it in a large quantity if it were available. We've got some nice springies. Is that what I should call them? The spring onions? Just call them springies? I don't know. And here is a small shrimp in the center. And a pince. Just a pince. Of that stuff. Oh gosh. They're playing the games. They're making the noise out there, ladies and gentlemen. It's been a battle lately. It's been a battle. A real live battle. May I help you?
What?
May I help you?
Hello, Papa.
Hello, Miles. How you doing?
I want to say hi to the nice people.
Well, wait. Rotato is doing its magical job.
Hi, nice people.
Now you can say hi to the nice people.
Hi, nice people.
Whoa, your head's cut off.
Oh,
There you go.
hi, nice people.
How are you doing today?
Doing good.
Yeah, what are you going to do today? You got your tablet. Are you doing your videos?
Hi, nice Yes.
There's Miriam and Miles, happy and ready for a day of school. Mimi with a slap bracelet and Miles with a tablet. Very
I don't
good.
Slap this on.
No?
I don't want to slap this on.
Well then, by all means, do not slap it. Anyways, this has been Hans, this has been
Miles.
and this has been
Mimi.
wishing you enjoyment of your noodles.
It's an every day.
Go head over to japancrate.com, use the coupon code the Ramen Raider for a discount. Have a good one.
Bye.
Bye. Well, that's irritating. Now the button won't work. What's wrong with my button? What's wrong with my button? Bye-bye.